Welcome back to the channel. Today we will do a quick valuation of Rheinmetall. Rheinmetall is a holding company which engages in the provision of development and sales of components, systems and services for the security and civil industries. It operates through the following segments: vehicle systems, weapon and ammunitions, electronic solutions, sensors and actuators, materials and trades, and others. The vehicle system segments offer a diverse portfolio of vehicles including combat, support, logistic and special vehicles. The weapon and ammunition segment includes products and solutions for threat-appropriate firepower as well as comprehensive protection. For this quick valuation, I will use FastGraphs, the new version 5.2, to get some quick insights in how this stock has been performing. If we have a look at the historical graph, which is correlated by the operational earnings, we see that the company has been trading around €100 up to 2021. Shortly after, it has been trading almost at double value, around €200, and more recently we see a very steep increase in price to more or less €1,600. On this historical chart, it looks like the company is highly overvalued. However, we need to have a closer look at more recent data, so therefore we can zoom into this chart. Before we dive any deeper, I'd like to ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more of these valuation videos. Alright, let's move on. In the current time frame, the PE ratio of this company is about 18 times. So let's have a look if we go to shorter times. So it looks like if we go look at the 5-year chart, which also has estimations for 2025, 2026 and 2027 in it, we see that the normal PE ratio is increasing to about 25. If we assume a PE ratio of 25, we can see that the company is more or less trading at its value around the end of 2026. However, if we look at only very recent data, we see that the company is trading at much higher PE valuations. It looks like analysts are expecting a growth rate of about 50%. The new FastGraph snapshots also allows me to directly see this forecast. As you can see, it's also expecting a growth rate of around 50%. Let's have a look at more details about these estimations. We can see that analysts expect a 68% growth in 2025, 43% growth in 2026 and 42% growth in 2027. We can also see the price at 2027 if the current valuation would hold. The current valuation of around €1,600 would be over €4,000 by the end of 2027. However, it's very likely that the current jump in price already has a lot of this estimated growth in it. This also means that the company has to achieve very high growth over the next few years. Otherwise, it's very likely that the price will also steeply drop. Let's check out some more details. Let's check the fiscal fitness. Here we can see the free cash flow versus the amount of dividend paid. We can see that the amount of dividend paid is much lower than the free cash flow that's available, so the company can easily pay their dividends. However, the dividends are very low, only 0.5%. We can also see that the operational cash flow saw a very large increase in 2024. Furthermore, we can have a look at the share buybacks. We can see that the amount of shares outstanding has seen very small increases in number of shares outstanding. We can also see that last year there was a big increase in revenue growth from sales. So what are your thoughts on the recent price increase in Rheinmetall? Do you think the company will meet the analyst expectations? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this kind of quick valuations, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next one.